What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, can everyone that's watching, everyone that's tuned in, every single person, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I had a look at the subscribers to non-subscribers ratio, and it's crazy how many people are not subscribed but they watch. So please, everyone, just click that subscribe button, click the bell icon button, click the like, leave a comment, share, all of that good stuff. Let's get this channel up. Almost at 3,000 subscribers. Let's just, get that up. But yeah, that's enough for me and from the intro. Let's get into the proper video. So as it's winter, everyone knows tracksuit season. So I picked up a bunch of tracksuits. I've been reviewing so many tracksuits. I'll probably have more tracksuits than any other type of clothing. This is a Nike tracksuit. I don't know the official government name to it, to be honest. I just saw it online and I bought it. Let's just get into it, people. So that's the hoodie. This is the joggers to it. Just open it up. Start off with the joggers. The reason I actually got this is because I saw zip pockets straight away at the cart. Because you have to have some zip pocket joggers in your wardrobe. Very, very useful. Especially if you just want to go somewhere, just quickly put a tracksuit on, go zip pockets. And especially because they're on both sides. So zip pockets on both sides definitely is very, very helpful. We've got the white logo, XL bottoms, standard fit, taper leg, regular length, which is, the best fit and whatever we want to call it. And just a quick look at the joggers. So it's got like a, what material is that? It's like a polyester little bit there, which I like. So it's little details, but it's not too fancy, or it's not too over the top, it's not tacky. Then it's got it says Nike and it's got Nike tick, so it does give me kind of retro vibes in a way. A lot of tracksuits I see these days don't really have that retro vibe, and I like retro vibes. Also, I thought this tracksuit would definitely go with the Air Max 95 Ultras that I have, the crimson ones. So definitely had to get this tracksuit. Zip pocket sealed it off for me. Back just plain black on joggers, and then the best cuff, the standard Nike cuff, but the best cuff. So it's also similar to the Tech Fleece cuff. But yeah, this cuff is what we want on joggers. Then we've got the hoodie. It's got big Nike across the front, or going down. It actually says Zai. That's another symbol. Zai something, I don't know. But yeah, it's obviously says Nike. I'm just messing around. We can open that up, and then the same thing, it's got that poly type of bit there just to match the joggers. Cuffs, the good old cuffs, not the Tech Fleece cuffs like this cuff, it's still good. I don't mind either cuff on the hoodie. On the joggers I do have a preference. Kangaroo pockets, so going all the way through, as it's just a pullover hoodie. And then it's got the the drawstring, good old drawstring, same one on the bottom. So it's quick. It's quite a plain tracksuit. It's just a standard tracksuit. Nothing wow, nothing amazing. Like, it's just a standard tracksuit. But sometimes simple, subtle ones are nice. It's got kind of retro detailing to it, which I really do like. I just wanted to kind of show everyone what it looks like, just to show everyone kind of a bit more what it looks like and what the materials are. So you see it's got poly and it's got the cotton, so it's a bit of both. Definitely hope that's good for the winter. It might be for some of the spring months. Also, for example, if it's summer but it's like not one of those hot days, so like one of those cooler days, I definitely think this will work, because you know, evenings, stuff like that, you might be able to get away with wearing this. And how I'll wear it, literally you can just wear it with white Air Forces. The black Crimson Air Max 95 Ultras that I have will definitely go well with this also. That's literally it, just what I want to call a turbo review. Quick, short and simple review, just a few minutes, just showing everyone what it looks like and whatever. Hopefully I will get around to showing everyone what they look like when they're worn, but apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and all that good stuff. And most importantly, take care, people.